there, fourth grade class. This is your friendly neighborhood fourth grade teacher. I'm going to help you with the last question of the test. It's question number 4, and it's a little bit of a tricky one, so we're going to work it out together. It says, Jillian says, I know that 20 times 7 is 140, and if I take away 2 7s, that leaves 126. So 126 divided by 7 equals 18. All right, so let's work this out. It says, Jillian's calculation is correct because if I check her work using the box method, I get 10 as well. So we're going to work this equation out using the box method. So we'll go over here. The box method, I have 7 as my divisor, 126 as my dividend. So I need to make a T-chart out of my divisor. So I'm going to make a 7 T-chart so it can help me with my problem. Okay, so I'm going to start with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, my T is not very straight, but that's okay. I know that 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 61. 7 times, not 70, 63, sorry. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. And 7 times 12 is 84. Okay, there's my teacher. I know it took a little bit long time, but guess what? It's going to help me know that my problem's correct. So I'm going to see, well, how many 7s can I take out of that 1? So I'm going to look over. There's 0. Oh, 7's too big. So I need to go down to 7 times 0. So 7 times 0 equals 0. I'm going to subtract that. 1's going to be left. I'm going to put that over in the next box in front of that 2. And I'm going to continue. How many 7s can I take out of that 12? Let's look. There's 0. There's 7. And there's 14. Ooh, 14's too big, so I have to drop down to that 7. So I know that 1 times 7 is 7. And I'm going to subtract that for that difference. 2 take away 7 is, whoops, stop. I can't do that. I need to go next door, and I need to make that a 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. Yes, 5. Now I'm going to take that. I'm going to move it up here in front of that 6. So now I have 56. So I'm going to look and see on my T-chart which one is 56. How many 7s can I take out of that 56? So 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Wait, 56 is exactly the number. So I know that 8 times 7 is 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. And I'm going to subtract that difference. 6 take away 6 is 0. 5 take away 5 is 0. And that's the remainder, but it's a 0, so we don't even have to write it. So we know that 126 divided by 7 equals 18. All right, now let's go back over to our question. It says, Julian's calculation is correct because if I check her work using the box method, I get 10 as well. Wait, 10? Did I get 10? Let's look. Oh, I did not get 10. That can't be it. No, we're going to do a frowny face right here. No, that's not it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Julian's calculation is correct because if I check her work using the box method, I get 18 as well. Ooh. This is a maybe. I'm going to put an M right here because we might do that one. I don't know. Let's see. Jillian's calculation is not correct because if I check her work using the box method, I get 17R7. Let's look at my box method again. Did I get 17 remainder 7? No, I did not. So we're going to go back here and we're going to do a frowny face. No. Jillian's calculation is not correct because if I check her work using the hangman method, I get 17. So let's do the hangman method. Okay, so we have 7, 126. Okay, so we're going to do the hangman method, and let's see if we get 17. All right. I know from my T-chart that 7 times 10 is 70. And I like to work with friendly numbers, so I'm going to do 7 times 10 equals 70. Now I'm going to take that out of my total and subtract that out of my total. So 6 take away 0 is 6. 2 take away 7, I can't do that. So I'm going to go back there and borrow from the neighbor. And now 12 take away 7 is 5. 5, there you go. Okay, so now we have 56 left. Let's look to see another thing that we could take out. All right, ooh, look at that, 56. So we know 8 times 7 is 56. So we're going to do 7 times 8 is that whole amount. So we're going to take away 56 from our total. 6 take away 6 is 0. 5 take away 5 is 0. Now whatever is the divisor, we're going to cross out over here. All right? And then we're going to add up what's there. So I'm going to line it up because I have a hard time keeping mine in my place value, okay? So 0 take away or plus 8 is 8. 1 added to 0 is 1. So I got 18. So the answer is 18. So let's look at that question again. Jillian's calculation is not correct because if I check their work using the hangman method, I get 17. Oh wait, 17. Let's see, did I get 17? No, I got 18. And I checked my work several ways. See? It's 18. So let's go back up to the question. I think this one's a frowny face, but I'm going to read the question one more time just in case. I know that 20 times 7 is 140. And if I take away 2 7s, that leaves 126. So 126 divided by 7 equals 18. So this one's correct. And if she took 2 groups away, that would definitely be 126. So my answer is, and I'm going to do a little face, and this is going to be the nose. Yep. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job.